Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Report is summarized information of an object. It is a list of records that meet the criteria we define. It displayed in rows and columns and can be filtered, grouped or displayed in a graphical chart. Every report is stored in a folder. Folder can be public, hidden or shared and can be set to read only or read write. Out of the box, Salesforce provides many useful standard report types. Reports always run in user context, that is user, profile, OWD, sharing rule. Types of report. There are four types of report. Tabular, summarized information in a table. This will return the list of records which are meeting the filter criteria in the form of tables. Summary, summarized information based on certain fields. Row-wise grouping records based on fields is called summary report. Matrix, summarized information in two-dimensional manner. Matrix report is column-wise and row-wise grouping records. Join, summarized information in different blocks for an object and related objects. We can join two or more report types and form a single report called joint report. Note, maximum grouping for tabular, summary and matrix is 3. We can create 5 blocks for joint reports. We can display 2000 records on a page. Report folder. Every report is stored in a folder. Folders can be public, hidden or shared and can be set to read only or read write. Report folders are of four types. Standard. This will contain only standard reports. We cannot store custom reports in this folder. My personal custom reports stored in this folder cannot shared with any user. These are visible to only the running user who created the report. Unified. This report can be accessed by all those users whose profile has manager reports or view reports permission enabled. Custom. Profiles should have create report folders enabled. Reports stored in this folder can be shared with user, role and subordinate. Public group. We can grant access to view, edit, manage on this folder. Report type in Salesforce. Out of the box, Salesforce provides many useful standard report types. Report type specifies on which object, field and set of data we are creating the report. Report type in Salesforce. Standard report type. It is created by Salesforce on both standard and custom object. Standard reports are the built-in reports provided by Salesforce. They are more like report templates. Custom report type. It is created by users on organization business requirement. This gives us access to custom objects or custom views of S objects. Steps to create a report type. Setup, build, create report types, new custom report type. Step 1, select primary object. Step 2, enter report type label and name. Step 3, enter description. Step 4, choose folder. Step 5, deployment status. Step 6, specify on which data we want to create a report. Step 7, click edit layout and select list of fields available in the report. So let's see an example. Create a report on opportunities. So here report type and report are two different things. Here we are going to create a simple report for opportunities. So let's log into our Salesforce account. So from the app launcher I am looking for the sales app. So here we are able to see reports. Click on reports. So at the left side we are seeing reports recent, created by me, private reports, public reports, all reports, and below that folders, all folders created by me, shared with me, favorites, all favorites. Simply click on new report. So as per our assignment, we are going to create a reports on opportunities. Click on opportunities. So report type, name, category. Here we are seeing, click on opportunities. So opportunities, standard report type, start report. So at the left show fields there is a button, click on this. Here we are seeing all the fields for this opportunities object. We can directly drag and drop the fields into columns. So what are the columns here? It's added. So columns are owner role, we don't want. We want opportunity owner, account name, opportunity name, stage, then amount, then probability, then created date, then lead source and type. So update preview automatically. Here there is a switch box. It is going to update right away. So we had chosen so we had added here opportunity owner, account name, opportunity name, stage, amount, probability, created date, lead source and type. And I am going to group this record by lead source. So on the behalf of a lead source, it is going to group the columns. So at right we are seeing the filters option. So we can add filters from here. Show me all opportunities. If you are not able to see, just press control minus button from the keyboard. You are able to see this button. Sometimes it's not visible. So close date is we want all time, apply. Opportunity status any, probability all. And also we are going to add a chart for this. Here there is a chart properties. So from here in the display as section we are choosing the column, and from here we can add our chart title, x axis, y axis. So here in x axis lead source is there, y axis record counts is there, and I am giving the chart title is opportunity data. And then we are going to save and run this particular report. So we have to provide the report name here, and also we have to choose the folder in which folder our report is going to save. So for the report name I am going with default new opportunity reports, and from the folder, these are the folders available, all folders created by me. So in the all folders, these are created by me. I had not created any folder. Shared with me private reports and public reports. So all folders, I am clicking on new folder, Salesforce report folder, click on save, and for this report we are going to use this folder itself, Salesforce report folder. Select folder, it's coming here, Salesforce report folder. Then new opportunity report is going to be saved in this folder itself. Click save. So our report is visible over here. So on the behalf of lead source, it's displaying the chart and data. So total 38 number of records in opportunities. Also we can verify from the opportunities tab, 38 total numbers of record. So our chart name is opportunity data, and what we had taken the fields, all the fields are available here. Just cross verify the opportunities record. So click on all opportunities. So total number of opportunities are 38. Like this we are dealing with reports. Thanks for watching.